Hi guys, it's Nadia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a Brandy Melville haul. I know you guys love watching them and watching me do them, so that's what I'm doing today. This is acne medication thingy. I have a really bad pimple like right here. It's so bad, so bad, so bad. So bad. I went there 2 days ago. Most of this stuff is pretty new, and let's dive right into it. Just to get this out of the way, all the prices are in Canadian dollars. I'm not lying or over exaggerating. I'm speaking the truth. So the first thing in here is this top. It is rainbow and it has these frilly thingies around the neck and the sleeves and the bottom, and it's not cropped, so it's so perfect for like school and going out, and you can wear in the winter or in the summer with like a jacket or, you know, whatever you want to do. I don't know how much it was, so yeah. The next thing in here is this pair of shorts. They're green and they're so soft on the inside. The material is actually pretty thick. They did sell these in black and like blue a long time ago. Okay, so these were like the original. I got these a year and a half or maybe even 2 years ago. They're really like flimsy, but it's just cotton, and I mean, these ones are way more thick. They're a bit bigger than those ones. Yeah. These shorts were 22 Canadian dollars. The next thing I got from there were two tops in gray. This gray short sleeve, really crop top. It has these like buttons in the middle that you can undo. Hi bitch! You have to like go like that. You can't just like rip it off. I think it was like $22 as well. I don't have the receipt for this one because I got it a little while ago. Very small, tiny little top. And then I got this tank top. Same color, same like button thingy, except it's a tank top and it's like long and you can wear it without getting like dress coded, I guess, at school. I mean, I have a uniform, but like, can you wear tank tops to school? I don't know. It's like 2 fingers, so. I went to Brandy Melville looking for this top over here, but I couldn't find it. So that was pretty devastating. But I did find this one, which has, because I wanted it because it had this thing on the back. So it's just this little blue, really comfortable and soft Brandy Melville top. It has this little cat over there, and on the back it has this motor show thing, and it is 25 Canadian dollars. Next, I got these red pants. Because I only have jeans and I did need pants that were not sweatpants. I have 2 white stripes on the side. This is from the John Galt thing, so I'm pretty sure you can get this to like PacSun as well. And they're pretty long. They fit me perfectly, and they're also high-waisted. Like, they go up pretty dang high.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
These pants were $39. Lastly, I got these Rosa sweatpants. Pants that were not sweatpants. With 2 bright red stripes. And it has this like kind of thermal material. See that? So it's not like the normal sweatpants material, but it's so comfortable. Oh my gosh. This was $49. They're really long and they're like waffled or whatever at the bottom. The stripe goes all the way down. And then they have pockets, which are really good. Thank you guys for watching this week's video. If you liked it, give it a like. Follow me on my Instagram and like Visco, whatever you want. I don't really have a Twitter. I mean, I have a Twitter, but I don't really use it. So subscribe to my channel. So yeah, bye.